gorgeous. Okay, hey everybody. Today I've prepped a delicious crustless vegan quiche that is going to be with asparagus, mushrooms, spinach, and lots of vegan cheese. Really yummy, really tasty, and hopefully satisfy some cravings. So let's get to the recipe. First, we will heat up a medium skillet to medium-high heat, and we're going to toss in 1 red onion that's been diced and 4 minced garlic cloves. Just in a little bit of water or on its own, we're going to add 2 cups of chopped mushrooms, 1 bunch of asparagus that has been washed and destemmed, add a little black pepper, thyme, and 2 tablespoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. These veggies cooked in their own liquid, and then I added a little bit of defrosted spinach. You can also use fresh. I took 1/4 cup of aquafaba and I quickly gave it a mix with the high-speed blender to ensure that it would foam up really nicely. I added 1/2 cup of vegan cheese, parmesan, and mozzarella to the mixture, and I combined without the heat on to ensure that everything was slightly melted but not super melty. Then to a large mixing bowl, we're going to add chickpea flour, turmeric, and nutritional yeast. Give it a good whisk, and then add a cup of soy milk in addition to 1.5 cups of veggie broth. Give it a good stir. You want the mixture to be watery but not too dense, and we're going to slowly add the aquafaba as sort of an egg replacement and the filling, and a little bit of water just to loosen everything up. We will then continuously add the aquafaba little by little because we do want to ensure that it remains a little bit fluffy and the air does not get knocked out of the mixture. So add it continuously until all of the ingredients are really nice and homogeneous. Once you've used up all of that aquafaba, we're going to take a circle cake pan and dump all of the quiche mixture into it. Because it's silicone, the one that I'm using, we don't need any baking spray, but make sure to grease it up if you do need it. I set aside some additional asparagus spears for the topping of the quiche, and I just gently add a little bit of olive oil. You can also brush a little bit of olive oil for making sure that those asparagus spears char in the oven. Then we'll bake everything at 350 Fahrenheit 180 C for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick can be inserted and it comes out clean. Then you can just slice it up and enjoy. It'll last in the fridge for about a week, frozen up to 2 months. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe for full recipes every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.